What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to prove this trig identity. I have sine theta plus cosine theta squared equals to 1 plus 2 times sine theta times cosine theta. So the first thing I need to do, I just expand this one, sine theta plus cosine theta times sine theta plus cosine theta, just distribute it like that. Sine times sine is sine squared theta. Sine times cosine is sine theta times cosine theta. Then cosine times sine. Then finally cosine times cosine, which is cosine squared. Then we know sine squared plus cosine squared equals to 1. So that part is going to be 1. And here we have sine theta times cosine theta times sine theta. So it's going to be 2 sine theta cosine theta. And as you see here, the trig identity has proven. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.